Good morning, Charlie Pre-K. Yesterday, we read Three Pigs and a Gingerbread Man. And today, we're going back into our book, Three Pigs and a Gingerbread Man, and we're going to look at the pictures or the illustrations, and we're going to talk about them. We call this a picture walk. So come join me on a picture walk through Three Pigs and a Gingerbread Man. So on this very first page, it tells us in the text or in the words right up here at the top that are in black that the three little pigs live in a house made of red brick. So when we look at the illustration or the picture, we notice that the house is in fact what color? Red, that's right. And I look at the pattern and I see that it could be a brick house. But when we look inside of the windows of this house, what do you see? What are the pigs doing? That's right, they're cooking something. They're baking. So when you look at it, you see that this little piggy right here, he has a chef hat. He has a pan with something in it. This piggy has an apron on and looks like stirring something up, maybe some cookie batter. And then this little piggy looks like he has a book. And what do you need to cook with that could be in a book? Do you know? A recipe, that's right. So a lot of times we use a book or we use our phone or we use a piece of paper and it tells us the steps and the ingredients that we need to make something, like when we made our applesauce in our class a few weeks ago. So these pigs are baking something. Then when I turn to the next page, I see a character appear that was not on our other page. And he kind of looks a little gray. What character would he be? That's right, he's the wolf. Now, take a look at this wolf right here, or the wolf right here in this picture. So, look, what does he look like he's doing? He looks like he's looking inside of the window, and maybe he's licking his lips thinking, the piggies look tasty. Or he could be thinking that the piggies are baking something tasty. So when we go into this next page, the wolf is, it looks like he has a cloud above his head, and those are called thought bubbles. So in that thought bubble, you see that here's the wolf, and you see that it looks like a bunch of hay maybe, and some doors and windows are flying everywhere, and then you have the 1, 2, 3 little pigs. What do you think that wolf has done? That's right, he blew down the house made of sticks or straw. So he's thinking all about that. So in this picture here, you'll see that the wolf is still looking, or the text tells us peering through the window. So he's looking through the glass of the window and he sees the 3 pigs, and he sees that they have used, what are these right here? Eggs, good. And this is some kind of white ingredient. Would you know what that is? Could be sugar or it could be flour. Good. And then this little carton right here, what comes in a carton that we normally will have with our lunch or breakfast at school? That's right, milk. So they're using eggs and milk and maybe flour or sugar, and our text tells us they're actually using flour and sugar, and they're making gingerbread dough. Now, the pigs have noticed that the bad wolf's not leaving. He's not going away, and he's still peering or looking through the glass. Now, the pigs shut the door of the oven, it tells us. It doesn't show us that, but the text tells us that. And they look the wolf in the eye. Look at the pigs. They're looking toward the wolf. How do you think that the pigs feel right now? They do look very scared. That's right.